Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy SNEWJ'S. Now, I've always wanted a brand new AP, right? Damn, guys, look at that. Does it look good? I couldn't afford it. I wanted to make this video just to simply inspire y'all. It's a little milestone in my life since my businesses are thriving. I'm blessed. God is good. It's okay to treat yourself. I'm in a position now where I can actually buy a brand new Royal Oak AP 50th anniversary. I love watches, so just a little checkpoint in my life, a little milestone I wanted to document because YouTube's like a timeline, right? You can always go back and be like, man, I remember that moment. I filmed videos where I bought my first Lambo, couple Lambos. Now I want to do a video where I purchased my first AP, a watch that I've always wanted. To a lot of people, maybe it's not a big deal, but to me, I just wanted to make this video simply to inspire. That's all. Remember the video we did with Peter Marco? He's going to be my guy, my plug for the AP I'm gonna buy. I told him I was gonna be a customer. So we're gonna go over to Peter Marco's shop and cop this AP. Let's go.
Got your girl calling me baby. Wetter than still in the Navy. Ooh, bitch, I'm Mercedes. 100K on the day.
But what's up, brother? Good to see you.
Everything good?
Everything good. I told you I was gonna be a customer.
Yeah, you did. I love
What's up, bro? Nice to see you again.
So, congratulations, man.
Yes.
This is a fly watch.
Wow. So this is brand new?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at this. Come here, bro.
Come on.
This is my first AP.
Ah, it's a good one.
Wow.
Yeah, you press
Damn.
that button.
Press the button, huh?
Press that button.
Wow.
That's a sexy watch.
Oh my goodness.
Chrono, the color of the dial.
So this is a 50th anniversary, you said?
That's right.
Tell me more about this watch.
So they make this watch, and there's more of the watch made when it's not a 50th anniversary. 50th anniversary, I just like to play because there'll never be another 50th anniversary.
Yeah.
You know, it's like you're married for 25 years, you can never go back in time, right?
Yeah.
So this will always have a significant title to it.
I see.
And I think in the world of watches, it's always better for what you paid. Your upside is much more special and tremendous to say you got a 50th anniversary.
Yeah,
For
wow.
sure, instead of just a plain one that everyone else has.
I see. So how much is this valued compared to like a non-50th anniversary? Or like what is it worth?
I mean, at this level, with the way I worked at you, it's probably a $5,000 difference.
Oh, okay.
$7,000, $8,000 difference.
Okay.
Depending on who could be a 10,000.
I see.
But I think your upside, because you didn't pay that much of a difference.
Right.
But I think your upside is much greater.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Let's
look,
try
it's
it
all
on.
stickered and everything,
Oh,
and it's still wrapped. So we gotta take his
That's
clothes
so
off, so to
hard.
speak.
Ooh.
And I can't even.
That's beautiful. Did you believe me I was gonna be a customer?
Oh yeah, no, you seem like a straight up guy from day one. And listen, this is a way for you to reward yourself.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Let's do that.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Any words of inspiration to the viewers watching right now?
Oh, listen, you put your mind to something, you work hard, and this is what it's all about, man. He got himself an incredible watch. Probably at one point in his life, this was like a dream, you know? And now you make dreams reality through hard work.
Yeah.
That's what it's about.
First watch?
First AP, yeah. But
Now the plastic's
oh my God, come over. Can you see
It's
that?
popping.
That is sexy.
All right.
Oh my goodness.
So happy for you.
Wow.
Let's see. Isn't that good looking?
It's so
I hit
nice.
the gas. Nobody could hold me, yeah, I'm a mismatch. She 82%.
The moment of truth.
Here it is. It's a
Let's-
fish. Just in time for the Laker game tomorrow.
That's what you asked for, right?
Yeah, just in
I love
time.
it. Congratulations!
Oh, it's
Bro,
official.
just for your viewers,
Yeah.
it never did this before, but it says he has a lot of money selling more jewelry.
I'm
Check that
done.
out, man.
I'll be back for sure. Before I go, can you show me 4 watches I should get next?
Easy.
Here we go.
Okay, 3 watches that he should think about for the future.
Don't be shy.
Got this beautiful rose gold chrono, very similar to his, except it's rose gold.
Okay.
Heavy, well made. You need about 80,000 for this.
80,000 for this.
Yeah.
Is it because of the rose gold?
Yes.
I see. Woo.
5980 Paddock.
Damn.
Box papers, everything, all factory. We added the diamonds.
Okay.
But this is a crazy watch.
200?
200.
200,000.
Yeah. He's ready for the jewelry business.
Yeah.
We just got this in. This is a Patek. Plain. It doesn't look like much, but this is what you call a grand complication.
Okay.
This is a fire watch. Really rare, very hard to get. Great watch.
How much?
200.
200.
Yeah.
So when I come back,
You need $500,000.
Yeah.
okay. When I come back, which one should I get?
Well, this is half the price of these. So if you come back and you can drop 100, I grab that.
You have any Richard Milles? No?
Yeah, of course.
Bro, what the This is insane. That is crazy. Damn, hold on. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
600K on the wrist, bro?
All right.
Wow, that's me right here. Let me get this. Like, where do you even wear this at? Like, I can't even wear this out here, bro. This, like, this is just like, look at me, look at me. I got 600K on the wrist. Oh, man, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Happy for you.
I'm a client for
Wear
life.
it in good health.
Yes, of course. Appreciate you. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Always.
Thank you for the watch tour. Yeah, no, thank
There's
you.
a lot of guys out there. We appreciate it.
Once again, this is for inspirational purposes only. AP on the wrist. Thank you to Peter Marco. Thank you to God. Remember, I'm not materialistic. I'm not superficial. I could care less about these things, but I do like nice shit. But it's just like, you can reward yourself. Remember, you can treat yourself. If you're doing well in your life, you work hard for your money, go ahead and spend. We can't take it when we die. We can't take it to the grave. So, blessing, you know, cool, something nice on the wrist. And we just keep on moving. We keep on going. We keep on thriving. And we keep on helping other people at the end of the day. So, if you're helping somebody else, inspiring, coaching, giving them a lending hand, whatever it is, if you're elevating somebody else's life, that's all that matters. So this is just a little reward for all the hard work and the things I've been doing in my life. So let's keep it going.
This thing don't make any sense. I buy her in Nurse and pay off her rent. Give her my life, she don't answer my text. Done this before, hate the girls I select. You say that you love me, but seeing your ex, the night that she's gone, hate what love represents. You act like I don't know it, babe. Put me through hell, running bad thoughts in my head. Yeah, I'm not okay, yeah. All my friends tell me I should get away, yeah. Walk out your life, now you beg me to stay, yeah. It's so much pain that I'm losing some weight. Keep thinking you'll pull, but that's just not my fate. You take this for granted, not gon' tolerate. The devil gon' take me before it's too late, yeah. This thing don't make any sense. I buy her in Nurse and pay off her rent. Give her my life, she don't answer